Good morning, students. Standard 11, subject statistics. In the last lecture, we have discussed about the coefficient of skewness by Karl Pearson method. Today, we are going to discuss about Bowley's method of finding coefficient of skewness. Page number 196 of your textbook. Professor A.L. Bowley has given a measure of skewness based on quartiles. That is, both the quartiles we have to find out Q1 and Q3 and as well as the median. Here the absolute measure of skewness Sk is obtained using the quartile differences Q3 to difference M and M to Q1. So we'll discuss the final formula for finding the coefficient of skewness by Bowley's method. Here after derivation they have got the formula Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m upon Q3 minus Q1. This is the formula for finding coefficient of skewness by Bowley's method. Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m upon Q3 minus Q1. We have to find out here quartile 1, quartile 3 and median. Now exercise 5.2, page number 206. We are starting with some number first. From the following frequency distribution of different youngsters exercise in a gymnasium, find out the coefficient of skewness by Bowley's method and state the types of skewness. Now we will apply the formula Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m upon Q3 minus Q1. Here age in years is given and number of youngsters is given. To find out the quartiles, we have to find out first CFI. Now if we see here in question, this is not given in ascending. So first step we will arrange all these data in ascending order. Arranging in ascending order, what we have got, age in years we have arranged, and similarly the frequency against that also we have to arrange. 17 opposite that we have taken number of youngsters 4, 18, 11 and so on. Now first step is to find out the CFI. We will calculate the CFI here. 4, 11 plus 4, 15, 34, 43, 51, 73, 80 and 83. Total of frequency is also 83. Now to find out the Q1, quartile 1, n plus 1 divided by 4. Q1 value we have to find out is equal to n is 83 total of frequency plus 1 divided by 4, that is 21st observation. We will find out this 21st observation in CFI. It lies into the class of here 34. So the value for Q1 will be in XI value, that is age in years is 20. Q1 is equal to 20 years. Whatever Q first value we have got, that is 21st observation, we will find out this in CFI 34. Opposite to that XI value, that is 20 years, is the value for Q1. This already we have learned in last chapter. Now to find out the value for Q3, 3n plus 1 divided by 4. 3n plus 1 we have already calculated in Q1 is equal to 63rd observation. Now again finding this 63rd observation in CFI, where we have got here 63rd observation lies into this. So the value for Q3 will be 25. Q3 is 25 years. Q1 and Q3 we have calculated. Now we will calculate it M, that is median. Median is what? N plus 1 divided by 2. 83 plus 1 divided by 2. 42nd observation. Here 42nd observation lies into this class. 42nd observation lies in the class of this. So the value for median is equal to 22 years. Now we have calculated value for Q1, Q3 and median. Now applying the formula for J, that is Bowles's methods of coefficient of skewness. How we have calculated J is Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m upon Q3 minus Q1. Now putting the value, Q3 value is 25, Q1 is 20 minus 2 multiplied by the value for median is 22 upon 25 minus 20. Solving this, we have got 25 plus 20 is 45 minus 22 into 2, 44 upon 25 minus 20 is 5 is equal to 1 upon 5. Now value for coefficient of skewness by Bowles's method is 0.2. 1.5, 1 upon 5. So we have got the value for J is equal to 0.2, which is positive skewness. This is question number 1, page number 206, exercise 5.2 for skewness. You have to solve this sum in your notebook. Exercise sums we are solving and illustration sums I have given in homework, so you have to do all the sums which we have discussed here in lecture, and also the homework given you have to do in your notebook. Now second sum we are starting. The frequency distribution of paid up share capital out of issued share capital for 34 manufacturing companies is as follows. Find skewness and coefficient of skewness by Bowles's method and state the type of skewness. Now here in sum, if you see, paid up share capital in lakh rupees is given, number of companies is given, but if you observe the sum, it is given as less than 100, less than 300, less than 500, less than 700 and so on, and here cumulative frequency is given 0, 6, 16, 19, 23, 27, 31. So we have to convert this less than frequency distribution into the original class first. While solving the sum, we have to observe the sum. If it is in less than type, then we have to convert it into first original class, then we have to solve the sum. How we will convert this? Now here less than 0, so 0 to 100, the value will be 0. CFI is 0. That CFI is given, we have to convert into the original class. Now what is the value again given? Second, less than 300. So 100 to 300 is 6. Then less than 500 is 16. That means 300 to 500 next. So 16 will deduct the frequency above this CFI. 16 minus 6, so frequency will become 10. Again 500 to 700, 19. 16 will be deducted from 19, so we have got the frequency 3. This way we will convert it into the original class first. This is the original class, we have got CFI already they have given in calculation. So making into the original class, we have got the lower limit and upper limit. Now Bowles's method formula applying, we have to find out the value for Q1, Q2, that is median, and value for Q3. So finding the value for quartile 1, formula for quartile 1 in continuous class is n by 4th observation. N here is 31 by 4, that is 7.75 observation. Now 7.75 observation lies into the CFI class 16. CFI class 16. So this will be the class taken for calculation of Q1. L will be 300, frequency will be 10, CFI will be 6. So applying into the formula, L plus n by 4 minus CFI upon Fi into C. L we have taken as 300. This class we are taking completely, plus n by 4 we have calculated 7.75 minus CFI. The CFI above this is 6 upon Fi is 10, and C class length is difference between these two, that is 200. Now we have to solve this. Solving this, we have got 300 plus 1.75 into 200 divided by 10, that is 300 plus 350 divided by 10 is equal to 300 plus 35. So we have got the answer for Q1 is 335 lakh rupees. Now second step is to find out the value for Q3. You can calculate median first also, or the value for Q3. Q3 is what? 3n by 4th observation. 3n is 31 divided by 4. Solving this, we have got 3 into 7.75 is equal to 23.25th observation. 23.25th observation lies into the class, this one, 27. So this will be the class we will take for the calculation of Q3. Formula for Q3 is what? L plus 3n by 4 minus CFI upon Fi into C. Now class we have taken is 900 to 1100. L is 900, frequency is 4, CFI is 23, the class above this, and C class length is 200. So L is 900 plus 3n by 4, we have calculated 23.25. This we have calculated here, minus CFI, class above this is 23 upon 4 into C, 200 we have taken. Now solving this, we have got the answer for Q3 is 900 plus 0.25 into 200 divided by 4. 900 plus 50 divided by 4 is equal to 900 plus 12.5. 912.5. Value for Q3 we have got 912.5. Now calculating the value for median. Median is equal to n by 2. N is 31 divided by 2. So we have got 15.5 observation. 15.5th observation lies into the class interval of this 16 CFI. So we'll take L as 300, frequency as 10, CFI is class above this is 6, and C class length is 200. 15.5 observation lies into this, so we'll take the class for solving the median, this one, L 300, frequency 10, CFI above this is 6, and class length is 2. Now solving the sum for value for median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CFI upon Fi into C. L we have taken as 300, n by 2 15.5, this value, minus CFI, class above that is 6, frequency is 10 into C is 200. Solving this again, 300 plus 9.5 into 200 divided by 10 is equal to 300 plus 1900 divided by 10. Value for median we have got here 300 plus 190, that is 490 lakh rupees. Now the three values we have got here, Q1 is 335 lakh, value for Q3 we have got 912.5 lakh, and the value for median we have got 490 lakh. Now in the next step we will solve and find out the coefficient of skewness by Bowles's method. Formula for that is J. But before that we have to find out the skewness also. So here skewness is equal to Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m. First we have to find out the skewness. So skewness formula is Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m. Value for Q3 is 912.5 plus Q1 is 335 minus 2m. Value for median is 490. Solving this, 1247.5 minus 980 is equal to 267.5 lakh rupees. This is the value for SK, skewness, by Bowles's method. Now the next is to find out the value for J. Bowles's method coefficient of skewness we have to find out. That is, the formula is Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m upon Q3 minus Q1. We have to calculate the J value here, Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m upon Q3 minus Q1. Q3 value is 912.5 plus Q1 is 335 minus 2m. So we have calculated this upon Q3 912.5 minus Q1. Value for Q1 is 335. This complete part we have solved here in finding the SK. So this value is what? 267.5 lakh. Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m, that is SK we have find out here is 267.5. So we will write that value upon 912 minus 0.5 minus 335. So we have got here as 577.5. Solving this, 267.5 upon 577.5 is 0.46. Value for J, Bowles's method coefficient of skewness 0.46. Final answer we have got. So this is positive skewness. Since the value is in positive, so it is positive skewness. We will write here positive skewness. Students, this sum contains 5 marks. Either you will get for Karl-Pearson method or Bowles's method. This is the way we have solved, finding each and every value. Here we have taken Q1, Q3, median, and then finding SK and then J. We have to move stepwise. You have to do this sum in your notebook and homework also. Homework which you have to do in your notebook is illustration 12, 13, 14 related to Bowles's method of coefficient of skewness, page number 197 onwards. in the sum wherever required you have to calculate and arrange the values in ascending order, and if it is continuous series you can apply the formula of L plus 3n upon 4 minus CFI into C for finding Q3, and similarly for others also. So you have to do all this in your notebook. Thank you.